Well, happy Saturday evening to the tubers. It is April 14th, 2018. And me and cousin Charlie are just now walking into the Saturday night Knob Creek night shoot. Full auto, shooting up diesel drums with dynamite strapped on them. They're gonna do a night shoot soon. We caught up on our Verity beauty sleep. Yeah, our Verity sleep. We slept until 2:30 in the afternoon Kentucky time. That whole staying up 24 hours thing caught up to us 2 days later. We got this. I love me some Huey helicopters. And the sights around here are perfect. So me and cousin Charlie are walking in to go spend a couple $100, and at this place that's going to be easy. Might as well come with us for the night shoot. Thanks for going to Knob Creek with us on Saturday. They've already been tearing stuff up. Technically the night shoot is already started. We're just rolling in. There's two cars burning up and some kind of spool wheel for electric wire. It'd be harder to see the targets at nighttime, but they got refrigerators, vehicles. There's a car on its side. Looks like the Buick and an old Dodge truck are still alive, but that's going to change. Welcome to the Saturday night shoot at Knob Creek. Hey tubers, let's go do some shopping before we watch some more stuff get shot. Seems to be some ammo around here. Look tubers, 45 house payments, or you could have this. Well, this is what Bear gets. A diamond woodland camouflage tent. It's $90 for the tent, and the store next door, the next booth, had covers, $20. So for $110, I got a new military tent and 2 covers. Now this is what we get, woodland camo tents. You'll be seeing it in the future. They got a few nice toys at Knob Creek. What do you think, tubers? Gun saws it all. It says Mini-Me on the side.
Y'all need that.
Yeah, I need an M16 case. Hold about 12 of them.
Oh, 12 of them.
Yeah, it holds a dozen. That's a party.
It makes you hemorrhoids come out when
We
you
want this. We're getting this.
Still setting on the field.
Hey, I got a new tent.
No.
Well, Bear, this one says Curio and Relic. It is an NFA item, but it sure is interesting. Looks old. And it still shoots. Sweet. It's a French Hot Kiss. Yeah, French Hot Kiss. Now that's a gun, Bear. French Hot Kiss for sale. Well, tubers, it's Saturday night, and Bear's waiting for the main event, the night shooting of the machine guns. Might as well watch it with us. We're back at Knob Creek, full auto everything. Soon, Bear. We'll start shooting soon.
Area. When your area is ready.
Hey tubers, it's almost 12:30 at night. It is now April 15th, Sunday, 2018. What you doing, Bear? Bear is enjoying the BaroLite stove. Yep, we're sitting around the BioLite. We're back in KOA. We enjoyed the night shoot. It rained on us. We watched somebody almost pull his gun on another person. I don't know. Alcohol gives people attitude. He couldn't get it out of his pocket, whatever he was going for, and a Bullitt County Sheriff yelled at him, "Hey, you want to go to jail?" Guy hopped back in his truck. Sheriff was on that quick. I don't know, somebody cut his truck off trying to get out of the woods. Trying to get out of the gun show, the woods. Yeah, we almost witnessed the shooting, and we're not kidding. The guy was seated in his truck and couldn't get his gun out of his holster or pepper spray, or maybe he was just getting the seatbelt off, but it was a moment. But we're back in camp. I bought 2 extra USMC reversible tent covers for my other tents. We plopped them over the blue shelter, mostly keeping the rain out, with the BaroLite stove, and me, Cousin Charlie, and Bear are just going to sit in here and basically enjoy some MREs and dry out. Couple of drips in here, but it's pretty good shelter. Bear sitting back a ways. It's like 90 degrees in here. It's a small space off the blue tent. Well, thanks for going to Knob Creek with us. This is going to be our closing video. You'll just have to imagine us with no proof whatsoever that we're BaroLite's fireside eating gun show MREs. I don't know, I think I'll save this omelet for the morning. Thought I'd grab the other one. Yeah. Well, thanks for going to Knob Creek with us, tubers. We're fireside inside the vestibule of the tent being protected by the USMC. Good night, Bear. Well, we'll be back in about 6... Well, we may not go to the show in October. We might go to the VU to hang out with Ranger Kookie. And I think that's what's going to happen October 2018. You shouldn't get another Knob Creek video till spring of 2019 from Bear. But that's okay. How was your trip, Cousin Charlie?
Good.
How's it feel in here? Like 90 in the sauna? There's some humidity, and I swear, man, we went to the gym and got in the sauna or something.
Oh yeah. It's like 90 up at the top.
Yeah. We got like 15 pounds of whiskey flavored wood pellets to keep us warm tonight, and we're just gonna chill and BS each other. Bear's drying out. Boots is gonna dry out. I'm freaking steaming, man. My body. Let's see if we can see it on this one. It's hard to see, but my rain jacket is steaming. So we're drying out. The roof's gonna drip on us. A little bit's gonna come in, but it's 90 in here. Well, thanks for being fireside with our fuzzy videos, tubers. It's time to let you go. We'll see you in the woods. Another Knob Creek success. Yeah, I spent about $1,200 on this trip. I got a tent, rain covers, sleeping bags, MREs, odds and ends. I like me some Knob Creek machine gun shoot. Fuzzy video or not. Bear wishes all YouTubers a good night.